What's the meaning of Brie? Brie. Brie.
Brie. Brie. Brie is a type of cheese that originated in France. It is a soft, creamy cheese with a mild flavor and a thin, edible rind made from the mold Penicillium candidum. The cheese is typically made from cow's milk and can range in color from pale yellow to almost white. Brie is often served as a dessert cheese or as an appetizer, either on its own or paired with crackers, bread, or fruit. It is also a versatile ingredient in cooking, and can be used in a variety of dishes including omelets, quiches, and salads.